In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Zapier. We'll walk through the full setup process so you can automatically send PayPal transaction data into another app like Google Sheets without having to do it manually each time. This is a great way to save time, keep records organized, and build a simple workflow that runs in the background. Start by logging into your Zapier account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create and then select Zap. This opens a new automation where you'll choose what starts the workflow and what happens next. First, click the trigger step. In the app search bar, type PayPal, then select it from the results. After that, choose your trigger event. For this example, select Successful Sale. This tells Zapier to watch your PayPal account for completed sales and use those transactions to start the automation. Then click Continue. Next, click Sign in to connect your PayPal account. A sign-in window will open where you'll log into PayPal and authorize Zapier to access the account. Once that's done, return to Zapier. Select the PayPal account you just connected and click Continue. Now it's time to test the trigger. Click Test Trigger and let Zapier pull in sample transaction data from PayPal. This is an important step because it confirms that the connection is working correctly and gives you real data to use in the rest of the setup. After you verify that sample data appears, click Continue. Next, click the Action step. This is where you choose what you want Zapier to do with the PayPal data. Select the app you want to connect, such as Google Sheets, then choose Create Spreadsheet Row as the action event. This means each new PayPal transaction can automatically become a new row in your spreadsheet. Now connect your Google Sheets account, then select the spreadsheet and the specific worksheet where the data should go. After that, map the PayPal transaction fields to the spreadsheet columns. For example, you can match details like the transaction amount, date, or status to the appropriate columns in your sheet. Once everything looks right, click Continue. To make sure the action works, click Test Step and verify that the transaction data is added to the spreadsheet correctly. If the row appears as expected, you're ready for the final step. Click Publish to activate the Zap. Finally, complete a test PayPal transaction and confirm that the automation runs successfully from start to finish. If the transaction shows up in your spreadsheet, your setup is complete. Thanks for watching.